I was wandering around in the supermarket and then I saw those tiny cans, the spam cans, and I thought those look kind of like jeepneys. The jeepney is the #1 transportation in the Philippines, so I had to get one and try to make a jeepney. So it's just a little project, nothing too serious. So what I need is of course the spam can, soda cans, a sharp knife or scissors maybe also do, a glue gun and some markers to give it some coloring. First I chop off the bottom of the can to give the cabin the desired height. Then I draw the windows and the doors and the wheel arches, stuff like that. So when I'm happy with the drawings, I start cutting them out. If you're also planning to do this, be careful because the knife is very sharp and also the edges of the can be very sharp. My cabin will look something like this. Then I get the lid of the can to start shaping the front end, the bonnet. I trim it down till the right length. Then I make some markings where I want to fold it. And then I use the table edge to shape the bonnet and make the foldings. I get my glue gun and connect the two pieces together. So that's basically the body of the car. Now I will get the soda cans to make stuff like wheel arches, the grille, a floor pan and more stuff like that. I start by making the floor pan. And here I make the little grille. I will also add some headlights to make it a bit more realistic. That's all going well. Now I will make the wheel arches. Just 2 strips of aluminium I will glue to the bonnet. And then later I will give it a bit more shape. And a nice big front bumper so I can write some text later. The back wheel arches. I'll add some colored striping. Four sets of wheels. I will use a little coin to make the perfect circle, and then when everything is cut out I glue everything together, so I have 4 wheels. And there you have the jeepney. I will add some more details to make it a bit nicer, but that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.